Okay, it is Luxury Fred, and if you watch my videos, you know that probably my favorite luxury hotel chain in the entire world is Shangri-La. And I've been lucky or fortunate enough to stay at probably 20 different Shangri-La locations around the world, and I love it because that service, that style, that luxury, that devotion to personal attention and to making each guest's experience wonderful, I find at every hotel I go to. So I know that it's a real thing that they impart on their team members and the hotels from a corporate level on down, because I've experienced it at so many different hotels. So I am now here in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm at the Shangri-La Bangkok, and I'm going to give you a tour of one of the hotel's deluxe Riverview rooms. So there are two wings, two parts to the Shangri-La here in Bangkok. There is the Shangri-La wing, which is where we are here, which is the original part of the hotel. And then there's another part which is called the Grun Tab wing, which means Bangkok in Thai. So again, this is a deluxe Riverview room. It's room 1228 if you actually want to stay here in the Shangri-La wing. So we have, the design is reminiscent to me of Hong Kong, where you have the big couch there by the window. In Hong Kong, you have a view of Victoria Harbor. Here you have a view of the river, which goes right through the center of Bangkok. They have river ferries that take you back and forth that are kind of like buses that you can go across and up and down the river, as well as tourist boats and sightseeing and things like that. So it's very cool to have this view. And Bangkok, I'm finding, is a very crowded, congested city in the other parts, so it's nice to have this green space and these beautiful river views. So you have a couch here by the river, you have your kind of standard Shangri-La bedside stuff here, big comfortable bed, nice work desk and kind of work area over here. In the center of the room, you have your mini bar with kind of your standard beverages and things like that. You have some dry snacks and cookies over here. And what do we have over here? Kind of wine glasses, as well as a coffee and tea service. Nice big flat screen TV. Space for your luggage here. And show you the closets, and then I'll show you the bathroom here. So we have a full closet, and then here we have the luxurious bathroom here. So you have a bathtub on this side, and you have a nice vanity here with a very stylish shower here in the corner. So that completes the tour of this deluxe Riverview room here at the Shangri-La Bangkok. Please watch my other Shangri-La videos. You'll see what I mean about all their hotels being quite wonderful. And if you like what you see, click like under the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see. And of course, please subscribe to my channel here for more great luxury travel and luxury car content. Thank you very much for watching.